Hello and welcome to Digit. In this video, we will be unboxing the Ambrane H9 Bluetooth headset. On the front of the box, we can see the headset itself through this clear plastic window in the packaging. We also have an image of the headset in use, although the headset can't be seen too well because it's quite small. Over here, we have three of the salient features, which include hands-free calling, wireless connectivity, and a firm and comfortable fit. On the left-hand side of the box, we have two salient features like ergonomic design and crystal clear sound, and the salient features continue on the right-hand side of the box as well. Over here, we have up to 4 hours of playback and single touch operations. Up top, we simply have a hashtag, a social media hashtag that says stay connected, and on the bottom, we have the various social media handles of the brand. On the back of the box, we have a little description of the headset, and over here we have the technical specifications that we can go through briefly. For example, it has Bluetooth connectivity of 4.1 plus EDR. It supports Bluetooth profiles like A2DP, HSP, and HFP. The transmission distance, that is the Bluetooth transmission distance, is 10 meters. Frequency range is 2402 to 2480 MHz. Noise cancellation is up to 90%. Music play on full volume is 4 hours. Standby time is 10 days. Talk time is 7 to 8 hours. The battery capacity is 60 mAh and battery charge time is 2 hours approximately. On the bottom, we have a sticker that has some of the importing and manufacturing information along with the details for the customer care. That's about it in terms of what is on the outside of the package, so let's get into it now. On the inside, we get some literature in the form of a user manual. This should help you get started off with understanding the various functions and features of the headset and also help you get started with using it. We also have a thank you note from the brand, and there's some information on the back which leads to the customer care. You can also leave some feedback for the brand using the information that is provided. Here we have the charging cable. It has a USB Type A interface on one end and a micro USB interface on the other. The whole thing is approximately 8 inches long. 2 ear tips have also been provided. Basically, we just need one, but if that one is lost or it has some wear and tear, you have an extra one just in case. Coming to the Bluetooth headset itself, we can see that it is very compact. On the outside, we simply have one button that is a multifunction button. We can use it to switch the device on or off and also to answer and cut calls. On over here is where we put the ear tip like this. So this is what it looks like with the ear tip on it. Along with the button, we also have some Ambrane branding. And to get started with using the device, we will have to turn it on, press and hold the singular multifunction button to turn the device on. And underneath the button, the light LED light that is starts to flash red and blue, which can't be seen on camera, but rest assured it's there. And next, basically that means that it is in pairing mode. Next, we need to go into the available devices section of the Bluetooth menu, and the device's Bluetooth name is H9. Tap on it to begin the pairing process. Now that it is connected, we can see that it is in use for calls and media playback. We can also see that the battery level is at 40%. Now we can use this headset to either listen to our favorite tunes or answer calls or even enjoy some gaming with. So this was the unboxing of the Ambrane H9 Bluetooth headset. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.